Hi everyone, welcome back to myclass.com. Today our topic is interface in Java. What is the concept of interface? Java supports interface. Interface is a important feature that is present in Java. Okay, so what is interface? Interface means we can you can fully abstract a class interface or class implementation classes interface from its implementation. Okay, so that is by using a keyword interface. So interface means it's like a blueprint of a class like that. So in that inside the interface we are declaring an interface by using interface keyword. Interface keyword. Inside the interface, inside an interface, we can define different methods, and also we can declare static and final type variables. Okay. So after that, after creating an interface, we can use by different classes. That interface can used by different classes of Java program. Okay, so it is just like an inheritance concept. We have already learned that in Java multiple inheritance is not there, is it? Multiple inheritance. What is multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance means for a derived class there should be more than one base class, is it? A class can inherit more than one classes. In this example, C has two parents A and B, two base class A and B. That is not supported by Java, but this concept is handled or implement through interface. In Java, interface is helping to implement multiple inheritance. Okay, so that is one of the main important point that you have to remember. Okay, so let's see. Once it is defined, any number of classes can implement an interface. Okay, more than one classes can implement one interface by using implements keyword implements. Okay, also one class can implement any number of interfaces. Okay, one class can implement any number of interfaces. A class can have more than one interfaces. Like that multiple inheritance is almost the same concept, is it? So that is all about the interface. We can define the methods. We can define lots of methods inside an interface, and also we can declare not the variable type instant variables. We can declare like final and static members are there in the interface. Okay, all members are final and static by default. Okay. To implement an interface, a class must create the complete set of methods defined by interface. Okay. However, each class is free to determine the detail of its own implementation. For implementing the method that already defined in that interface, a class has full freedom to determine which type of thing is inside its own class. Okay. By providing the interface keyword, Java allows you to fully utilize one interface, multiple method aspects of polymorphism. There should be one interface is there. We can use that in methods in that interface in multiple times in different classes. Okay. So that is all about interface in Java, the theoretical concept of interface. Let's move to an program example. Okay. So in this example, there is an interface polygon. In this interface, there is a method void get area. Only the declaration is here. And also one more method is the void get site. That is a default is also the default method is void get sites. System dot in this the default implementation is here inside the interface system dot out dot println I can get sites of a polygon. Okay. If you want to declare the variables, you can do like final int a equal to 10, like that. You can declare final and static variables just like a constant. Okay, set get area and default void get site system.out.println, that is the default implementation of get sites. Okay, now we are moving to our class rectangle implements. The implements keyword is using to implement an interface to a class. Okay, so this in line mean that class rectangle implements the interface the named polygon. Okay, so inside this class we can get area and get side also. Public void get side get area. Here the implementation of rectangles implementation of get area method is like this. Okay, int length equal to 6, int breadth equal to 5, int area equal to length into breadth, and we are printing the area also. Okay, system.out.println, we are printing the area also. Here the get side is get side default implementation is already there in the interface, but we are overriding the method also. Here we are overriding the get side because we are here one more implementation of get side is for rectangle implements here. Okay, system.out.println, I have 4 sides. Rectangle always have 4 sides. Okay, now we are moving to another class square also implements polygon. Okay, a interface more than one class can implement one interface. Public void get area, here the square class implementation of get area method is here. Length equal to 5, length equal to length into length is the area of a square. Okay, so we are printing the area of the square area here. Now here we are not calling or we are not implementing get side method. Okay, no special implementation for the get side for square class. Let's remember. Now class let test I face is the class main class and public static void main. Inside the main we are creating the object for rectangle and object for square. Rectangle R1 equal to new rectangle R1 dot get area and R1 dot get side. Here inside the class R1 there is a implementation for class area and class get area and get side. Okay, it will execute here. Now we are creating the object for square S1. Here S1 dot get area, the implementation is here get area, but there is no special implementation for get side. Is it? The class S1 does not have implementation for get side. So at that time, the default, if there is a default implementation inside the interface, it will execute. Okay, that means we will get I can get sides of a polygon print when we are executing. Okay, so let's see how it's work. Okay. Okay, now we are going to execute. Okay, set path. After that, javac test I face dot java. Okay, java test I face. Okay, see the area of the rectangle is the length and breadth is 5 and 6, so 5 into 6 30. I have 4 sides because the get side implementation for the rectangle classes printing I have 4 sides. Okay, and when we are going to the square, the area of the square is 25, but the square class does not have the implementation, its own implementation for get side. At that time, get sides for inside default implementation of get sides will execute and will print the I can get sides of a polygon. Okay. Okay, now we'll go to another example. Let's see, it is an example in complete reference book. Interface callback. In this interface, void callback, one parameter is the Only the declaration is here inside the interface. Okay, and the client class implements callback. In this, the callback one value is accepting and printing that value itself. Callback called with. Okay, there is another client implements callback. In this implementation, in this class printing p square. Another version of callback p squared is p square. Okay, in this main class main method, here the declaration of interface is little different. We are creating a instance for the interface callback c. Callback is the name of our interface. Callback c equal to new client. So it is a instance for the instance of interface callback for client class. Okay. After that, we are creating an object for another client class. Okay, normal creation. After we are calling c dot callback. Now c is representing the client class. At that time, the callback of client class is uh, executing here. Okay, 42. We are passing 42 value, so it is only printing 42. Now we are referring OB to C. Now C is representing another client object. So at that time C dot callback will execute. So it will print 42 into 42 because another class callback method is printing p square. Okay. So like this also we can declare and implement create instance for an interface. Okay. So let's execute this file also. Java C test I phase 2. Okay, that is the main class Java test I phase 2. Okay, so first this is the interface callback call for first client class, and another version of the callback is that is it is for an second class another client till print p into p square. 1764. Okay, so that is all about interface in Java. Okay, so a class can also implement more than one interface also. When we are implementing more than one interface, we are just in this instruction class another client implements callback. If another class is implementing one another interface also, we can put like this the name of that interface. Okay, by using comma separator. Okay. Okay, thank you. Any doubt, ask to comments. Thank you.